Hi, this is Jacob Mays from SPSSVideoTutor.com, and I'd like to take a few minutes to introduce you to my Data Analysis VIP Club, where you develop your data analysis skills through consistent training and practice, regardless of your skill level. Now, there are 6 critical success factors for analyzing your data. There is selecting the correct statistical test, right? Next, there is performing descriptive statistics. Third, there is the ability to recode variables. That includes reverse coding and merging data files and merging various continuous variables into categorical variables. There's computing new variables, creating scales and subscales. There's checking the health of your data using parametric assumptions. And then finally, performing and interpreting the results of statistical tests. According to the National Institute of Health, there are 5 proficiency levels in any field. The first level is beginner, where the individual has less than 50% mastery of the content in their field. And then we have novice, and this is a person who has between 51 and 69% mastery of the content in their field. And this is generally someone who has classroom training or on-the-job training. Okay, they don't know that much. They're still considered relatively unskilled. And then we have the intermediate level of proficiency, and this is a person who has 70 to 79% mastery of the content in their field. And this is generally someone who can perform skills independently, but may require help from an advanced or highly advanced user from time to time. And then we have the advanced proficiency, where the person has 80 to 89% mastery of the content. And this is someone who can perform various tasks without assistance. And then finally, we have highly advanced, and this is the person who is considered an expert. So the goal of the Data Analysis VIP Club is basically to improve your proficiency level on all 6 critical success factors through consistent training and practice. And our objective is to get you to at least 70% proficiency across all of the 6 critical success factors. So that includes selecting the correct statistical test, performing descriptive statistics, recoding variables, computing new variables, checking the health of your data, and then finally performing and interpreting the results of statistical tests. So how will we achieve this 70% proficiency or this intermediate level status? Well, first off, every week we will send you 3 weekly micro lessons that cover a specific topic or test. And these micro lessons are going to be anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes long, and each lesson that is delivered via video is followed by a practice, or what I call an engagement exercise. So you watch this lesson that covers a particular area of the overall topic, and then after the lesson you get a practice exercise or an engagement exercise that helps codify what you've just learned. Okay, and you get about 3 of those per week. Now, so all in all, you only need about 30 minutes a week to increase your data analysis skills or proficiency to the intermediate level. Okay, now if you think about it, 3 micro lessons per week over 50 weeks is 150 lessons, or 75 hours of data analysis training. Who isn't going to improve in their data analysis skills with this much training? So the objective is to provide you with consistent training over an extended period of time in very manageable chunks. That's what we're trying to accomplish here. So instead of, a workshop that's done over a 15-day period or a 10-day period where you have to spend an hour a day, this breaks it up into 5-10 minute chunks, and it makes it more manageable, and you can watch the training across multiple platforms. So you can be on your computer, your laptop, your iPad, even your phone. So it's mobile friendly. Now, here are all of the tests that we're going to cover. And these tests, all of them are going to be in SPSS, and then a lot of these are also going to be covered in R. So we're going to teach SPSS and R in this training, this weekly training. Now, the first 2 weeks will focus on how to select the correct statistical test. And then as we get into more complex statistical tests, that may require that we extend across 2 weeks of micro lessons. So here are the details. What are the prerequisites? You need internet access. But what you don't need is prior knowledge in statistics or statistical software. All right? There's no assumption of prior knowledge. You need SPSS. If you don't have SPSS, then you can use R. All right? Now, some of the more advanced statistical tests may not include lessons in R. For example, R doesn't do structural equation modeling. You have to have a special add-on to R to do that. And, so we're just going to stick with the Windows version of R to keep it simple. Okay? So the format, again, is weekly training and engagement exercises, 3 5 to 10 minute video lessons that are followed by an exercise per week. So if you're interested in gradually improving your data analysis skills over time, then I would encourage you to join the Data Analysis VIP Club. All right, so you can register now, you can cancel anytime. It's $37 per month, and that covers 4 weeks of training. So if you have any questions, you can contact me at jacob@spssvideotutor.com. The membership is month to month, so you can cancel anytime. So all you have to do again is just contact me via email and we will cancel your subscription. And we look forward to seeing you inside of the trainings. Much success, and we'll see you on the other side.